Hi guys, it's Mike here today. I'm back for the Creative Smile Advent Calendar number 3, Wintermail, and here's the card that I made. See, did you miss that? Number 3, also in a cute little baggie. It's called Wintermail, also A8 size. So small, only a text. So I'm combining it with the Happy Mail stencil and the Incredible Yeti, or Yeti out of the Incredible set. Does that make sense? And well, there is from Creative Smile a really cute bear on a bicycle that delivers mail. That would be really cool for this, but I don't have it. I have so many and I don't have it. It's unbelievable. So I'm going for an ombre or cool rainbow, if you prefer, of Distress inks, and about 5 colors: Wilted Violet, Villainous Poison, Chipped Sapphire, Mermaid Lagoon. I thought green, yeah, nope. And then I switched it for Tumbled Glass, but it doesn't really show up because my ink blending tool is very darker. I think it's already Mermaid Lagoon. So I'm starting at the opposite end and then kind of try to work to the middle. But because these are quite similar, and they are not, but it's I should really try and get different blending sponges, but I don't want to. See, so here Tumbled Glass is being eaten up by the Mermaid Lagoon and the Chipped Sapphire, and it's fine. I just go over it a few times, and then also the Chipped Sapphire and the Wilted Violet make a really dark blue. So even though you don't have to have all the colors, you can make your own. And Villainous Poison is really nice. I needed to use it. And the Chipped Sapphire is a bit juicy, so you will see that when I zoom in. And I will kind of hide it with my Yeti. That's the sentiment. I wanted it on the corner, the right lower side. I don't know, it just made sense. In the middle, I don't like it. So I hope you're enjoying the series so far. I put it all in a nice playlist, so you can go back if you join us now, and if you subscribe and click the bell button, you will notified when I upload the next one, which will be tomorrow, but in case you forget. And notification is always handy. So the Yeti, I'm coloring it with the blue face, and I'm actually using blue, green and blue. And this is the R20 for rosy cheeks. But what if it's cold? My ears and nose also turn red, so that's what I done. And I tried to give my Yeti like a fur-like appearance with the warm grays, but I didn't like it. Somehow it doesn't go with the style of the image. If it's too cartoony and you try to do realistic fur, I don't know, I just no. So I'm just filling that up with my lightest color, and he's still cute. And I didn't want to do him completely white because he would disappear, but a bit more white would have been nice probably, and then just use the warm grays in the shading. But because I did the flicking all over, I wanted to cover that up. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Anyway, this is really short and sweet, and I'm almost done. Actually, just mounting the image with foam tape again, and then adding white dots for the eyes, and that's the card for today. And I hope you're enjoying watching me fumble around. And I will see you again tomorrow for number 4. Thank you for watching. Bye.